This is the SR5 model with 3400 V6. Aftermarket wheels got some goofy lug nuts on them. Take a special tool. Needed pads really badly. See that? Probably wearing into the rotor a little bit, yeah. It's nice and smooth yet though. But as you can see, there's this little clip right here. And you push this clip out of this hole. And it's in there and in there. It pulls out. Tap these pins out. Then this little spring keeper comes out with it. And I'll show you a little bit more after I get that far. Come on now. The other one come right out. This one's a little bit more rustier. Okay. A little bit of rust inside the hole that sits in. Driver's side's usually a little bit worse in the rust belt area. Take and tap these guys back. Don't need no fancy tools for this one. And just take a vice grip. Alright, those are out of there. Now I'm just going to take a flat screwdriver and stick it between the pad and the rotor. I want to push these pistons in. There's 4 pistons on here. Then you'll just pull your pad right out. Do the same here. Alright, pads are out. Now you just got to take your pistons and push them in. I just push them in until they're even with the rubber. I'll show you in a second. You got that gap in there. You got the pistons pushed in even with the rubber. Alright. Now you got your new pads. You got your inner and outer. They're labeled. So outer will go, obviously outer. Inner will go inner. You gotta make sure they're the right way. You know, they'll form to the shape of your rotor. Just like that. Put your top pin in. And you get your bottom one just started. And you can go that, like that, and then push that inwards. Now you can start tapping this guy in. Make sure your holes match on your, gotta make sure it goes through your holes on your pads. Now you just got this little deal to put back in. So if anything, you'll have to spin these a little bit. Get them at the right angle. Then goes in one hole, goes in the other, and then that just pushes right back through there. And I'm sure my big fat head was in the way the whole time. You probably couldn't see anything, but it's already all done and back together and ready to put the tire back on. Now these lug nuts, the way these are tapered like this, you kind of gotta hold this wheel just right to get them to start to thread. It's a little hot in the sun here today. That's it. All done.